Hello, my name is Alfredo Vargas. I work for the install department at Pipe Wrench Plumbing and HVAC. So Andrew was here to scope the line with a camera, and he discovered that there was a cross Y that joined both of the kitchen sinks together. So I came here to uncover the wall and see what the piping looked like, and we found the cross Y was there. And I had to take that apart, and as I was taking it apart, there was a bunch of spaghetti and rice in the line, so we have to schedule a jetting that needs to be done in order to get all that spaghetti and rice out of there. So Matthew Smart came in, he jetted the lines, cleared the lines from spaghetti and rice that were in the lines that were just backing everything up. I then went in there and reworked everything, corrected everything, because before there was a cross Y which wasn't allowing us to snake the line the correct way. So I separated both of those drains and stacked two Santees on top of another, one picking up the kitchen sink to the left and one picking up the kitchen sink to the right. I tested everything and everything was good. Everything is draining good, everything is vented correctly. Both of those sinks can now get snaked separately without a problem. And that is why you should hire us. We will do it the right way.